Hello, my Feng Shui friends. This week's video is going to be a little different than usual. It's a little more of a personal video. I always share my life with you because I really want to show you how I use Feng Shui in my life. It's not just something that I teach or that I sell, it's really how I live my life. As I mentioned, this video is going to be a little different because I'm in New York, and right before I left for New York, my dad went into the hospital. What is the positive that we can look at in any situation? In this situation, I was grateful that I was arriving the next day. It was basically hit the ground running when I got here. He is doing better. The other positive thing is that he got discharged from the hospital and transferred to a different facility on the Lunar New Year, which was yesterday. So that was really exciting. I was able to spend the day with him, bring him some traditional foods and decorate for him in his room. So that was nice. But that being said, I don't have a Feng Shui video for you. I just, filmed what was going on in Chinatown, and that's what's going to be coming up next. Hope you enjoy it. Hi guys, guess where I am? I'm in New York. I'm visiting my dad, my family, and my friends. Also here for some Feng Shui work with some clients. I am actually walking to the subway, and I don't know if you can see, but it is a sunny day. It may look cloudy right now, but compared to Paris, very, very sunny. I have a jam-packed day. It's a bit self-care day. There's been a lot going on and a lot before I left Paris. I'm also going to be taking a trip to Chinatown to run some errands and also to check out the festivities. And I just wanted to take you along. So I don't know how this video is going to be, if I'm going to have time to edit it, but here we go, raw footage. This is me post acupuncture. I just finished and I feel so amazing. Thank you as always. Today I was with Jane Tirana, who is amazing, and I feel fantastic. Acupuncture, Feng Shui for the body. You guys gotta come when you're in New York City. You know I'm here. This is my home away from home.
The technology.
We are having dumplings for the new year. They signify money bags. So the green. So here we go. I think they're hot, and I'm gonna eat it with chopsticks.
Yeah, also NYU. NYU, they have a very
Some of
big
this dumpling sauce.
program.
Wait, try not to burn my
And then
mouth.
some guy died and left him this whole
It's
view.
been a while since I've had dumplings.
I like that. I'm always in favor of that.
Hot.
They were going with balloons.
Mmm.
I mean, I had to do that one. Yum yum. Yeah.
I share Feng Shui inspiration every week, not only in the form of a video, but in my written newsletter every week. So if you haven't signed up for my newsletter and you want to make sure that you get some information every week, sign up with the link below. I'll see you probably in the form of a newsletter in the next several weeks because I will be here working and also taking care of my dad. Reach out if you have any questions, schedule your astrology reading, a strategy session, a consultation. I'm here for you, and thank you so much for all your support. You get to see a real Chinese house in New York. So welcome, and thanks for watching and following. And remember, Feng Shui is not a luxury, it's a necessity in all our lives to stay positive, keep balanced, and keep our lives in harmony. Sending you guys love and see you next time.